Have you ever wondered how you can contribute to preserving our planet's diverse wildlife right from your backyard? The importance of wildlife-friendly habitats cannot be overstated. These spaces, even as small as personal gardens, can make a significant difference. They foster a beautiful coexistence of humans and wildlife, promoting biodiversity and enhancing the overall health of our ecosystems. Creating a wildlife-friendly habitat isn't as complex as you might think, and today you'll learn how. Start with selecting the right plants. Native plants attract native species and provide them with the food they need. So, step 1, choose plants that are indigenous to your region. They're not just beautiful, they're a supermarket for local wildlife. Step 2, add water sources. A simple bird bath or a small pond can turn your garden into a haven for birds and amphibians. Next, create hiding spots. Think shrubs, log piles, and birdhouses. These provide shelter for critters to hide, rest, and nest. Step 4, say no to harmful pesticides. Opt for organic and natural pest control methods. They're safer for the wildlife and for your family too. Finally, maintaining the habitat. Keep your garden tidy, but remember, a little wildness is good. Leave some fallen leaves and twigs. They're great for insects and small mammals. Remember, it's about creating a balance. A wildlife-friendly habitat is beneficial for the environment and can be a great learning experience for you too. Now that you know how to create a wildlife-friendly habitat, it's time to get started. Imagine the thrill of seeing your garden teeming with life, watching butterflies flutter, birds chirp, and bees buzz. The joy of knowing you're nurturing nature right in your backyard is unparalleled. You're not just gardening, you're contributing to the preservation of our environment, and that's something to be proud of. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your wildlife-friendly habitat creations with us. Let's make a difference, one garden at a time.